Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can vibe code completely for free inside Cursor IDE using kilocode. So here you can see we have Cursor AI. So let's just open this first. So after opening Cursor, here you can see file. So we're going to click on file, then click here open IDE. So it will open the Cursor IDE over here. So right now we are going to click on view, and here you can see extensions. So here you can see you can open extension by clicking Ctrl Shift X. So I'm going to click on extensions, and here we're going to search for kilocode. So if you search for kilocode, here you can see you will see this logo or icon here. There you can see kilocode AI coding agent. So you need to click on this, and here we are going to click on install. So it will install kilocode inside Cursor. So here you can see kilocode installation is done. So right now we can close this, and let me just click on file, and here you can see file option, and here you can see open folder option. So right now we are going to click on file, then click on open folder. So let me just open a folder. Okay, let's just create a folder over here. So I'll just right click here, then click on folder. Let's the folder name will be Cursor Free Vibe Code. You can name the folder anything you want. So we're going to select this folder, then click here select folder. So here you can see this folder open inside Cursor. So right now we need to run the kilocode. So for it, here you can see we have the arrow icon. So we need to click on this arrow, and here you can see kilocode. So we need to click on this, and it will open the kilocode chat option over here. So here you can see kilocode is opened over here, and here you can see we have the chat option, and here you can see we have the code mode. So if I now click on code, there you can see we have a multiple option like plan mode, debug mode, then ask mode. So you can just switch to any other mode. Let's say you want to generate a plan, then you need to select plan mode, and here you can see. So from here you can choose your AI model. So by default it will choose auto free. So if you want to choose a specific free model, then you can choose it from here. Here you can see for the free model you will see the free icon on the right side of the model. There you can see those two model is free, and there is a lot of free model you will find inside kilocode, and there is some more model that is paid, like there you can see DeepSeek, GLM, those are paid model, and if you want to use those model then you have to pay. But if you want to use the free model, then there is no limit of how much you can use those free model. Okay, so I'll always suggest you to choose the auto free, because if you choose auto free, then what will happen is based on your prompt it will choose the best model to give you the best answer. So let's go and give a simple prompt, and first generate a plan, and based on that plan we'll generate a website. So here I have just given a prompt, and I'm going to click here, and at first it will generate a plan, and when the plan generation is complete it will switch to code mode and start building the website. So this may take some time. Right now I'll just fast forward the video until the whole website creation is complete. So here you can see it's done. So right now let's go and run the project. So for it we need to go to the project folder location. So I'll go to my folder, and our project name was this one, Cursor Free Vibe Code. So let's open this, and let's open the index.html. So it will open in the browser, and there you can see it created an awesome website with awesome design, and there is some effect as well, there you can see. So overall it's really great for a free AI. So yeah, this is how you can vibe code completely for free inside Cursor using kilocode. So I hope this was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.